Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We finally got to try out the new clippers from Babyliss Pro. They are called the LO-PROs FX, and they do not release until February. So we got, we were able to get our hands on some from, they did like a pre-release at the BarberCon in LA. So I had a guy get me some. If those of you who know me, I don't really use a lot of Babyliss clippers myself. The ergonomics to the clipper, they don't feel great on my hand, but let me tell you guys this, these clippers are something else. So I did schedule a couple of cuts just for the specific clippers. Let's get this video rolling and let's see how this clipper performs. What's up everybody? Thank you guys for joining me on this video. We are going to be using the LO-PRO clippers on pretty much 3 different heads, and that means 3 different hair types. So you guys are going to be just watching me cut with them. One of them's a fine hair, one of them's medium, and the other one's like coarse hair. So let's talk about these clippers, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of you guys are curious about them, and I know a lot of you guys are eager to get them in February. That's when they release. So far, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. I like these clippers a lot. Now, coming from a guy who does not use Babyliss clippers at all, this is huge. I feel like this is gonna target a lot of people that did not like or did not mess with the Babyliss clippers before, because honestly, the Babyliss clippers from beforehand felt like a flashlight. There was nothing ergonomic about it. So I think a lot of people are gonna change their minds when they get their hands on this clipper. I feel like it is a full package. It bulks out nicely. It didn't struggle with any hair type. It is zero gappable. So for those of you who love to zero gap your clippers, this is gonna be perfect. I didn't switch the blade on it. It has the wedge blade. I kind of liked it myself. What else? The battery's 3 hours long, which is perfect. It's a lot longer than a lot of things like seniors. It's a lot longer than your magic clips for sure. Those things die all the time. And honestly, these clippers feel great. They're not heavy. They're not heavier than the seniors. They're like a little bit less than the seniors, but a little bit enough for you to feel the weight difference. So I like these a lot. It has a thumb insert, it has a click lever, and I think I'm really digging this click lever, guys. So if you guys are new, you guys are debating between, other clippers like, oh, I'm gonna get another pair of seniors, I'm gonna get another pair of legends, cordless legends. I honestly recommend you guys mess with these if you guys can wait till February, because all the distributors are gonna get these in February. That's when they release. Your favorite supplier, SupremeBarberSupply.com is gonna have them as well. So I mean, I'm just happy to showcase these clippers for you guys, man. Like I said, these clippers are insane. That Babyliss definitely outdid themselves with this one, and like I said, it's gonna win a lot of hearts. So hope you guys are enjoying the cuts that I did with them. It's kind of hard to record with one hand. That's why you'll see this kind of like all over the place. But honestly, it's a great clipper. The trimmers I didn't get to really use a lot of, but I'll tell you guys straight out, I didn't like how loud they were. That's the only thing I did not like about the LO-PRO trimmers. But for bulking, they're amazing. Edging, I think I can get mine a little bit more, but they're not bad at all. I'm really liking that DLC blade, the 2.0 blade. So honestly, guys, I think it's a cop. You can't go wrong with this clipper, and I think it's one of Babyliss best clippers, to be honest. Pretty much the best versatile clipper, because I know a lot of people don't mess with the FX3s, because honestly, not everybody likes the button right in the middle and not being able to adjust it. So I feel like this is going to be the best clipper for those of people who didn't enjoy the bigger Babyliss clipper. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these freshies, and I hope if you guys have any questions, man, let me know in the comment section. And check out these clean ass tapers, man. It came out super dope. Follow me on TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. IamCesar. You guys already know the drill. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all.